Okay, something's getting set up right here. I'm gonna tell you all about it really soon. So stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're in Taipa. They're setting something up. I'm just going to kind of show you the vicinity so you can kind of get an idea. Right now it says work in progress. So, but this is in this Taipa area, Taipa village area. So this particular area has it's Rua de Porta de Sousa, and then the other cross street is Rua dos Clergios. So this right here is one of the main commercial districts, tourist districts, but it's on COVID, so there's not so many people these days. And all these little back alley lanes all the way through here, which I've definitely explored in this video before. Hello, how are you doing? That's good. So okay, so we're gonna check these out in a minute, but we're gonna walk around this thing and just kind of see how they're doing here. Let me show you what's around here as well. So there's definitely some shops. So I don't know what the occasion is, but let's see, what is it today? This October, September 15. Let's see if we can go this way. We'll walk this way. Right here is a bathroom. Women's. I'll turn the camera away. So yeah, they're setting all this stuff up. I guess it's going to be is that kind of a Christmas one, or those? No, those are horses. I thought they might be reindeer. I don't know. Let's keep on walking. This is a map of Taipa from 1912. It won't mean as much to you, but this is basically the southern part, which is now the middle, because now the Kolawan Kotai strip is on the other side of it. So let's go down this way. A lot of cool stuff at nighttime. And this is another, oh, that's a pretty good one right there too. Let's just kind of walk across like this, keeping that as the focus. Then I've walked through this whole street a number of times, and once I kind of did it in 3 parts, like 6 or 7 minutes each. So some of this might be kind of familiar if you're a regular viewer, but what I'm filming today is quite unique because this is totally different, and I'm also walking in completely different patterns, and I'm focusing the camera on completely different things. So, but yeah, this is dragon sculpture. So there's a dragon head up there, a dragon tail on the other one. And you got these tiny little shops right there. The bus is coming on down as well. Straight ahead is a Galaxy Casino. This has a little rooftop restaurant up there. Actually, there's a few rooftop restaurants in this area, but they're not the main focus today, so. But since I mentioned them, I will try to point out a few. So yeah, there's definitely one right there. Then there's a couple, there's one right there too, which might be a private one, and then there's a couple commercial business ones down that way. So they overlook, and you can see some pretty good views up that way. And this is the beginning of our dragon. And this is the focus of this particular video right here. And since we're here, we'll just kind of focus on this cool stuff around it as well. And all these alleys. Okay, so there you go. The lighting is so fantastic right now too, so it's great lighting. Okay, so that's the end of this particular video. little bit closer. Here we go.
Chiquinha,